Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial I am gonna show you how you can install XAMPP server to your Windows 11. So let's get started. First you need to open a browser and then search for XAMPP. Now click on the first link. This is the XAMPP official site, and here you can see this is for XAMPP Windows, and this is for Linux, and this is for Mac. So we are going to download for Windows. So let's click on XAMPP for Windows. Awesome. Now your download will start automatically. So if this doesn't work, then click on here. So then it will be download. So the XAMPP software downloading, and the software size is 150 megabyte. The software downloaded. Now we are going to install this software. So for that, just click on that, and then you can see this type of message. You can ignore this. Just click on OK. Now set up XAMPP. So now let's click on next. Select component. Now here you can see a lot of component. So if you don't need other component like FileZilla, Mercury, or Tomac, then you can untick this checkbox. So I am going to tick mark only MySQL and Apache, and then I am going to take only PHP. I don't need to Perl, and then I am going to untick this. So I don't need this. So you may take this or you can untick this. So we only need for MySQL and PHP Now let's click on next. Okay, now here you can see installation folder. Please choose a folder to install XAMPP. Now you can choose the installation folder. If you don't choose any installation folder, then by default it will choose XAMPP folder, and then click on next. Now here you can see two different options. One is English and other is Dutch. So if you want to choose Dutch, then you can choose this, and you can choose English. So I am going to take the English. Now click on next. Now ready to install. Setup is ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. Now click on next. Now XAMPP is installing in our computer. So you need to wait a few minutes. Now you can see this message completing the XAMPP setup wizard. So here you can see, do you want to start the control panel now? If you tick mark this, then it will be start automatically. So let's click on finish. So now XAMPP software installed in our PC, and you will find this XAMPP on your search bar. And here if you search for XAMPP, you will see the XAMPP. And here you can see XAMPP, or you can go XAMPP by click on Windows icon. And here you can see XAMPP just recently added, or you can go to XAMPP by clicking all apps, and here you will find your XAMPP. And here you can see XAMPP. Okay, so I have opened the XAMPP control panel. So now here you can see module Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, and others. So we have only installed Apache and MySQL. That's why we can start this Apache and MySQL. So if you start the Apache, then Apache server will be start. And here you can see PID code, and this is for port code. So after start Apache, then if you go your browser, and here search for localhost, and you will see this web page, XAMPP Apache MariaDB plus PHP plus Perl. So you can access this web page if you click on start this Apache, but you cannot open PHP If you go on PHP then it will be show error. So let's click on enable the MySQL. Let's click on start. Apache and MySQL successfully started. Now if you refresh this page, then you can see the PHP page. So this is our PHP page, and here you can see database, and here you can see database, SQL, and status. You can create new database, you can manage MySQL from here, and after complete your task you can stop this Apache and MySQL server. Just click on stop, then it will be stopped. So this is how you can install XAMPP to your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.